Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today's topic is about Pakistan, Saudi Arabia in talks to convert $2 billion into JF-17 jet deal. So this is a newspaper reading and this will help you to gain knowledge also. Also develop your interest to read newspapers daily. So let's start reading it without wasting any further time. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia are in talks to convert about $2 billion of Saudi loans into a JF-17 fighter jet deal, two Pakistani sources said, deepening military cooperation months after the two nations signed a mutual defense pact last year. So Pakistan and Saudi Arabia वो deepening करना चाहते हैं अपने military cooperation को. Good news. The talks underscore how the two allies are moving to operationalize defense cooperation at a time when Pakistan is facing acute financial strain and Saudi Arabia is reshaping its security partnership to hedge against uncertainty about the US commitment in the Middle East. I don't understand one thing when Pakistan have financial issues फिर भी Saudi Arabia is there to help them. Help नहीं बोल सकते डिफेंस cooperation के लिए deepening करना चाहते हैं. That's a good news for Pakistan. They must be happy about it. The mutual defense deal was signed following Israel's strike on what it said were Hamas targets in Doha, an attack that shook the Gulf region. One of the sources said the discussions were limited to the provision of JF-17 Thunder fighter jets, the lighter compact aircraft jointly developed by Pakistan and China and produced in Pakistan, while the second said the jets were primarily option among others under discussion. So यहाँ पे the most important line is कि you get to know about what is J-17 Thunder fighter jets. So the question can also came कि जो J-17 है what is that? तो it's a Thunder fighter jet जो कि light compact aircraft है which is jointly developed by Pakistan and China and which is produced in Pakistan. So remember this line which is very important. अगर तुम्हें पूरा कुछ इसमें से याद नहीं रहता है but J-17 is Thunder fighter jets, just remember that, okay? The first source said the total deal was worth $4 billion with an additional $2 billion to be spent on equipment over above the loan conversion. The sources close to the military with knowledge of the matter spoke on condition of anonymity because they were not authorized to speak on the deal. Okay. See यहाँ पे they were not authorized. Were यानी कि past tense आ गया यहाँ पे. Was were is for past tense. Pakistan Air Chief Zahir Ahmad Babar Sindhu was in Saudi Arabia this week to discuss bilateral defense cooperation, regional security environment, and future avenues of collaboration with his counterpart, Lieutenant General Turki bin Bandar bin Abdulaziz, Pakistan's military said in a statement on Thursday. So, जो जहीर अहमद बाबर सिद्धू ये जो है पाकिस्तान एयर चीफ ये अपने काउंटर पार्ट यानी कि लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल तुर्की बिन बंदर इनके साथ गए थे सऊदी अरेबिया. किस लिए गए थे? फॉर बायलैटरल डिफेंस कोऑपरेशन एंड रीजनल सिक्योरिटी. सऊदी अरेबिया गए थे. बांग्लादेश एयर चीफ मीट्स मुनीर डिस्कसेस डिफेंस कोऑपरेशन. सो जो बांग्लादेश के जो एयर चीफ है वो मिले हैं मुनीर साहब से डिफेंस कोऑपरेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करने के लिए. Bangladesh Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mehmet Khan met Pakistan Chief of Defence Forces Asim Munir on Thursday and discussed bilateral defence cooperation. During the meeting at General Headquarters Rawalpindi, matters of mutual interest, regional security dynamics, and avenues for enhancing bilateral defence and military cooperation were discussed, the military said in a statement. So, जो बांग्लादेश के जो एयर चीफ है वो पाकिस्तान के चीफ से मिले हैं टू डिस्कस अबाउट डिफेंस कॉपरेशन. एट एक टाइम ऐसा था कि हमने बांग्लादेश लिबरेशन वॉर किया था वेयर इंडियन सोल्जर्स हेल्प बांग्लादेशीज और ये अभी जाके पाकिस्तान के साथ डिफेंस कॉपरेशन डील्स एंड all those things they are doing. Let's see what happen in the near future. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.